fast either. Well, fans, I'm having quite the day to start here. What you saw was two Ennis trains. One's going into the yard, and the other one is bound for Memphis. There was other ones I spotted, but they were all sitting. It was 4 trains, so I'm already having a good start to an early morning with 6. But of course, today I'm focusing on Norfolk Southern because CSX, well, they've been dead recently. There just hasn't been anything. So stopped here at 23rd Street here in Chattanooga. Our destination is going to be the Ennis Atlanta North, but I'm also going to scope around the Butts Yard here to see if there's any goodies being hidden. So let's just enjoy this trip, and I hope you guys are getting a like in this video because hopefully we get some surprises today, so stick around. Well, I get to one spot and it was right on top and managed to photograph it. I'm down here at Citico Junction, Outpost 238. This is where the line splits. The one veering to the right becomes the Atlanta North, but it also splits at Udawa, to where one portion of the line goes on to Knoxville and the other one continues on towards Atlanta. Now the very line on the left here, which also has a train sitting on, is the old Cincinnati, New Orleans, Texas and Pacific Railroad line, affectionately known as the Cincinnati Southern in proper terms. Anyways, I've actually given this name the Rat Hole because of all the tunnels when you go a few hours just north of here. But by the looks of it, we got a train waiting to get into the yard, but I keep hearing we might have another one that's coming out of the yard that may be going towards Atlanta. So we're just gonna have to sit and wait and see what happens here. So we got quite the view, we got shade, so stick around. Yeah, that was a little unexpected, a little bit of a power move. going to show you something while I'm out here, and you can actually look it up on YouTube. They've done a nice presentation of it, but I'm actually here in Chattanooga, Georgia, and this has been a neat little town to Railfan in, and I'm going to actually show you one of the things they got planned here, you know, in the near future that they're wanting to do. So I'm going to turn this area right here. They actually wanting to put a rail park in. They've got it planned, and basically they just cleaned up the area a while back, done a really nice job. And what's neat about this area is two main lines join here, and I'm just going to kind of get someone on the track. Now the main line going to Chattanooga goes off to the left, which goes right under the cantilever signal there. The old main, as they call it, is the one that goes to the right and continues down to Cleveland. And if you guys ever get a chance, TrainNut Productions, basically one of the times that he either in one of his videos or one of his live streams, had given a history on these two lines. So it might be one of his videos somewhere. I can't remember. If I was to run into him again, I'd have to ask him. Or if I can get him in an interview. But what's neat about this place is you can definitely tell some railroad artifacts right along the tracks here. And if I'm correct, I think the depot's sitting here somewhere. But actually, we got some of the old track. I'm still waiting to see if there's any trains that show up. But this area been chocked full of history. As you can see, remnants of the railroad's past in this foundation. I think this is where the depot was. And continuing on. And I'm still waiting on other trains. I actually drove quite a few areas. And of course, the factory I met up with Ravenhawk 6910 for a little bit. He had some business to take care of, so he actually stopped by. We got to chit chat for a little bit and watch a few trains go by. And he departed off to go do his thing, and I figure, well, I'm going to make my way and see what else could be coming. Well, so far it's gone quiet, and we're just kind of getting a little glance here. I'm just kind of. There's definitely some railroad artifacts. That's like a chair. That's like toys. Yeah. Somebody had their kid out here, so imagine it's probably somebody's property here. But anyways, lines join back in. This is actually going towards Dalton, where I've Railfan many times. Anyways, kind of give you a lowdown of this park and all that. Now they're going to clear a lot of this, cleaning up more. They're building a newer building that's going to house the layout that's going to be designed by the Modern Scale Railway Society, which has been created here in Cohutta by some of the guys I know of. But it's a pretty interesting detail, them doing this. If you get a chance, look it up. Like I said, this group is Modern Scale Railway Society. They do have a Facebook page. They do have a video about what's being planned here, and that video has actually been done by TrainNut Productions. Really good job on it. So anyways, I wanted to give you a lowdown on that. So we're just kind of waiting to see where all of our trains are at. So hopefully we'll see something soon, so stick around. That one snuck up on me there. I'm glad I got him.
Get him over and whenever go back. Water's gonna be over in there. That'd be a good place to start. I don't see you going nowhere last week. I'm still up the mountain part. Oh yeah? How's they doing? You missed the railroad, didn't you? Like a fish, right?
How not to end the day. I get near Nickajack Lake and it's raining. Yeah, by the looks of it, it's bad look. I mean, you can barely see anything. So, yeah. And I got a train behind me somewhere as I'm making my way slowly home. Oh, don't you just love these kind of adventures? After a little driving, it actually cleared up. And let's see what we got. There's a term for us Railfans, we put it weird, dead in the water. So, that just concludes that day. So, this is actually Stevenson right here. One of the other spots I like to shoot at. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed the clips of trains today. There was a few I did not record, and there was maybe a couple or so that I missed by counting them. So today's total was about 18 trains, which is actually pretty darn good in my book. So guys, until next time, as I'm leaving out of here, this is TrainNut 85 signing out.